Oh, hiya, it's Andy from Cream and Whiskers. How are you? And this is a Sunday shave. Hey, had a good week? Yeah? Cool. You might have seen on the midweek review I did this, which is the Bluebeard Revenge shaving cream. It comes in a 100ml plastic container. Put that down there. Tin lid. Brush of theirs has been soaking for about, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, probably a bit longer. So we'll try that. It does still look a bit small, doesn't it? But we're going to do the trusty Edwin Jagger with a Aftershave second use bowl from Rockface. We are going to use moisturiser because I haven't got any of the Bluebeard one. Is a Rockface or weather moisturiser, good for this weather actually. And probably to end Versace and blue jean. Yeah. Alright, that's what we're going to be using as it. And keep your eyes out because there might be the Bluebeard set that I reviewed on midweek. I might be doing a competition for that. I'll give you that towards the end or as we go along. So stay tuned. Right, I'm going to put some of that. Yeah. Not a lot on there. It's enough, but not a lot. Put the lid back on this because no my luck, it'll go in water. Because I'm like that. Right, bowl. Let's see what it rolls up like. So what we've been up to this week? Anything exciting? Work? Yeah, I know. Christmas is coming. It comes up pretty quickly. You just finished, didn't you? You just finished Christmas and you've got New Year, and then you look and you've got the summer, and then you look and you've got back to Christmas again. What are we all doing for Christmas? Anything nice? No? Weather's changed too, it's got a bit nippy. It's still nice. I wouldn't sit out in the garden, it's not sit out in the garden time, but it's nice and it's nice, it's not raining, which means I can get out in the garden, take the table down, it's got to come down, go around with the old leaf sucker and suck the leaves up, put them in the composter, and all the rest of it I've got to do in the garden before winter sets in. Look at that, that's actually I should spray that a bit, isn't it? But yeah, it's a distinctive Bluebeard scent, whatever you want to call it. Right, let's get this on this old chop. I find the brush quite hard to hold actually, because I've got big old muffy fingers. So I showed mine. I keep meaning to do it. A friend of mine used to have hair. I noticed an old picture. I found an old picture of him with hair. He's now bald. So I was talking to someone on my channel who said he's on bald and never looked back. So I might do that in the new year. New year, new resolution. That reminds me. What do you do for your resolutions? Do you keep them, or do you one of these that have them and then don't do anything for a couple of months? Or are you one of these that go, yeah, got to go to the gym, got to get this weight off, and you actually don't do anything. You actually don't keep to the gym. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I used to do that. I used to be one of these that, yeah, I'll go to the gym, I'll go to the gym. I think I went about twice. And that's the second time I'm using that, and that ain't too bad. That isn't too bad at all. Nice to it. What else we got? Nice thickness to it. It's actually cut quite well, hasn't it? As I say, second time using the blade. So yeah, second time I'm using the blade. That's the first pass nearly. That was going downwards. Oh, that's quite sticky. I quite like that. That's not horrible. Might need a bit more moisture in it. No. Oh, okay. No, nice scent. As I say, it's a nice clean scent. Oh. Took my over my shoulders. Yeah. There's a bit more water in it. Right, second pass for you boys and girls. Let's go crossways. This time we'll go down this way. Have you had New Year parties or are you just staying indoors this year? I used to live in London and I never ever went to firework display. It was in there, it used to have in London. Even when they started charging that, I think it's about £10. And you're giving them a gate to go in and all that, you've got to buy tickets. But no, it was about £10 I think. Which is, used to be free. I suppose you've got to pay for it. Pay for everything. Because I've never went. Well, I was never asked. I just never went. Give it a bit of another mix up. I think it's a hassle going way out there. It's near Houses of Parliament, isn't it? So it was a bit of a trek for me. I used to live in Ealing, so by the time you got up there and got back and other bits and pieces, it was oh, I forgot to say, I did put on their sorry, yeah, pre-shave balm. I did put that on, so I do apologise. I did put that on. Didn't see me put that on, but I did put it on. Right. Plus it's alright. It's a bit small for me because I'm a bit of a big brush person. Got a lot of soap there as well. Right, third and final pass is upwards. It's really smooth. It's a nice nice feel to it. It's not, it doesn't feel greasy. Doesn't feel greasy. My iota, which is quite nice. I was expecting it to be greasy. There's a nice it's got like a moisturiser feel to it. I will add some more moisturiser, but I think it doesn't need it. That is really nice. I'll be back in 1 second. Hey guys, how are you back? Oh. Right. So you in the bottle. We'll recap in a second of what we've done. So if the camera going light and dark, I don't know what's wrong with it today. Right, we've done that. I'm now going to put Versace and blue jean on. So I'll put that on. I'm doing a spray container. Couple of drops of those. Couple of drops. That, boys and girls, has got alcohol in it. It's not actually not too bad. I thought I was expecting it to be a bit more. I've got an oldie type smell to that. Quite fragrant. I quite like that one. It's quite a nice smell. That actually goes quite well with that. It does. Right. Rockface. That much of 2 minutes. I'm not going to start jumping about. So yeah, it's an old-fashioned barber smell. It's Bluebeard Revenge. Right. I will run through what I've used. I have used the Bluebeard Revenge brush. Alright, that's that one. I think that's a bit small for me, but it's right for a beginner. I have the Edwin Jagger razor with a barley handle and a Aftershave that's been used twice, but yeah, that's the second time of using. We have the Ross bowl made for me. We have Bluebeard Revenge shaving cream, which is a unique shaving cream. It's one of those ones that it smells like an old barber, as I say. We had, to start off with, which sorry but I didn't show you, was the pre-shave cream, or pre-shave balm, to put on there. Put that on afterwards, I suppose, if you wanted to. We then went over to Versace and blue jean, which is really nice. I do like that one. And to finish off, so we used Sayers as well, which was the aloe vera one. And to finish off, we used Rockface. Right, it's competition time. As it's coming up to Christmas, this is what I'm giving away. You will see it in the midweek review, and I've just shaved with it. This isn't sponsored by them. I have bought this, so it's me to you, and it of course is all you have to do is pop over to us2friends.com. I will leave a link at the bottom and enter in there. I'll tell you what to do. If it's UK, I'll try and get it out to you. I'll get it out to you before Christmas. If it's outside the UK, I will try my hardest to get out to you before Christmas. If not, to leave your comments at the bottom, ring the bell, subscribe and hit the thumbs up. I will see you for the midweek review. If not, I will see you back here Sunday for the Sunday shave. Shaving should be fun, not a chore. Have a rest of a good week. I've been Andy from Cream and Whiskers. Bye.